Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss or Sir. We are from Group 1, Class 1, CC5. On this occasion, we will bring a presentation about facts about Windows 8. Before that, let me introduce myself and my friend in making this presentation. First, this is my partner. His name is Okta Widiasti Melati Koirunisa. Then, this is myself. My name is Andres Nicholas Ginting. Then the last one is my partner too. His name is Nurcahyo Rino Bambang Irawan. Without further ado, let's get straight into the presentation.
First, I will explain about the operating system. Operating system, or OS, is a software system that is responsible for controlling the implementation of application program and hardware management, as well as basic system operation, including running application software such as word processing program and browser. A computer, game console, and smartphone will not able to run optimally if there is no operating system, because this OS acts a bridge for regulating of overall function. And this is the history of the operating system. In first generation, in 1945 until 1945. In first generation of operating system was the beginning of the development of electronic computing system as a substitute for mechanical computing system. And then the second generation is 1955 until 1965. Batch processing system is a system introduced by the second generation of operating system. Namely, the work is done in a series, then execute sequentially. Then the third generation of operating system in 1965 until 1980. In the third generation, the operating system was developed to serve many users at the same time. At the same time, user can communicate, interact fluently through the terminal online to the computer. In last generation is the fourth generation, post 1980s until now. Operating system are used to that computer network interaction with user realize that extensions of computer use the connected to each other. And this is the operating system function. First function of operating system is process management, is the preparation, scheduling, and monitoring of program. The second, resource management, is concerned with controlling the use of resource in a computer system. And the last, data management, is the form of controlling input or output data, including the term of its allocation to main and secondary memory storage device. So, in addition, there's three main functions. Operating system in general also have two means to manage security. One of the category of operating system that have security management facility is that users are required to enter a username and password before accessing the computer. And broadly speaking, the main function of an operating system is a system that is used to direct and regulate the performance of a computer, solve various problems in computer, maintain the security of part of the system.
Okay, next I want to explain about types of operating system. First, Windows operating system. The Windows operating system is the most popular used from its inception in the 1980s to the present. There are many versions of Microsoft Windows, such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Advantage of Windows such as being able to support a very wide variety of applications. Unfortunately, Windows systems still have drawbacks, such as being paid and expensive. Next, operating system Linux. which was introduced by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Different from Windows, Linux implements an open source operating base. This system allows anyone to modify and distribute Linux software without getting into licensing issues. Another advantage of Linux is that it's very fast development. The weakness of Linux is that the installation process is quite difficult. Mac OS X was created and released by Apple and installed on Macintosh or Mac computers and laptops, which are official Apple products. Mac OS X is safe from virus. Plus, it is difficult to hack because it has a high security system. However, Mac OS X also still has a drawback, which is that it cannot be modified freely like Linux. And next, mobile operating system that have long been present in human life. Previously, cell phones were only able to send messages and make calls or receive calls. A mobile operating system will be responsible for operating various functions and features available on the mobile device such as scheduling tasks, keyboard, WHP, email, text message, synchronizing with other applications and devices, playing music, camera, and control features, other. Then we go into the discussion of Windows 8. Windows 8 is the code name for the later version of Microsoft Windows, a series of operating systems produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers, including home and business computers, laptops, netbooks, tablet PCs, servers, and media center PCs. Next, history of Windows 8. Microsoft officially announced the release schedule for its latest operating systems, Windows 8, on October 26, 2012, along with the launch of the first computer running Windows 8. On May 31, 2012, Microsoft released a release preview version of Windows 8 build 8400. The main changes of this version are plug-in support in the IE 10 Windows 8 UI style application and the existence of 3 new Windows 8 UI style applications like Sport, Travel, and News. On October 26, 2012, Microsoft officially released Windows 8 at an event in New York City, United States.
Next, Windows 8 Edition. Number 1. Windows 8 Home Edition. So the standard edition of Windows 8 for the AA32 and X64 architecture is obtained from the ImageX tool and Paul Thurrott. Features shown to home user and provides all the standard features of Windows 8 such as start screen, live tiles, Windows Store, Internet Explorer 10, and others. Number 1. Windows 8 Pro, comparable to Windows 7 Professional and Ultimate, can be shown to advanced user or advanced home user. Additional features are the ability to accept remote desktop connection, Windows Server domains, file encryption, and are aimed at the expert user and professional environments. Windows 8. Number 3. Windows 8 Enterprise provides all the features in Windows 8 Pro X Enterprise except the ability to install Windows Media Center with additional features to help IT organization assist in business information and is only available through volume licensing. This edition was released on August 16, 2012. Number 4. Windows R3, only available manufacturally on new ARM-based device and built specifically for the OS. Windows RT will be bundled with Optimus version for the desktop version of Microsoft Office 2013, Home and home and student and support device encryption capabilities. Some Office features such as group policy and domain support are not supported. Difference between Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1 is a free Windows 8 update that will be released to the public on October 18, 2013. The following are the difference between Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. Difference from tile size. Windows 8 less Paris and Windows 8.1 tile size is much more flexible and varies. Difference from group tile. Windows 8 requires at least 4 steps, and Windows 8.1 right-click one of the tiles in the group and fill in the group name. Difference from personalization start screen. Windows 8 have to do it through setting, and Windows 8.1 changing the color and background of the Windows 8.1 start screen can be done directly through the start screen. Difference from app list. In Windows 8 to access the list of applications, you have to right click and press the All Apps button. And in Windows 8.1 already provided under start screen. Difference from start button. Windows 8. The Windows 8, the taskbar doesn't have a start button, but a button appears when hovering over the left corner of the desktop. And Windows 8.1 already equipped with a start button. Next slide. Windows 8 failure. Windows 8 itself carries Metro UI, which for the first time is used in Windows OS. This certainly forces Windows users to adapt to the new look. Unfortunately, it turns out that this natural selection to stretch and even detrimental to Microsoft as developer of Windows 8. The cause is point 1. Eliminates his start menu. Windows 8 received a lot of criticism and diatribes when the start menu was omitted in it. This makes many Windows users reluctant to switch from Windows 7 because it is comfortable and accustomed to using the start menu. Point 2. Uncomfortable to mouse and keyboard user. Windows 8 looks to prioritize the comfort of touchscreen user over mouse and keyboard user. This seen from the use of start screen reader than start menu. Modern apps that are ultimately full screen and cannot be accessed from the desktop edge. Point 3. Lack of application in Windows Store. There are not many good apps in the Windows Store. Developers seem not interested in the ecosystem in the Windows Store because of the lack of modern app user and at least Windows 8 user. Point 4. Not support for small resolution. Modern apps in Windows 8 can run well on a screen with a small resolution. For example, in a notebook with a 1024 x 600 screen. Point 5. Weak for gaming. Many games will survive in Windows 7 because they see less than maximum. Windows 8 support when used to play games. Gamers don't see any real advantage by upgrading Windows to Windows 8. Expensive. With various shortcomings above Windows egg is sold at a fairly expensive price. This is also spread reason why users prefer to stay in Windows 7.
This is our presentation of facts about Windows 8. The purpose of this presentation is to fulfill our ESAS project assessment at the beginning of this lesson. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings in this presentation. We will continue to study well. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah belum?
Udah. Kasih teman-teman.
Oke. Terus stopnya di mana? Oh ini. Ntar di katanya bisa kan?